guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have had a great week so far / weekend. Kind of just wanted to focus on my kitchen today as I have not. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel and welcome. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, so let's just get right into this. Here you'll see me loading my dishwasher. I just wanted to get some of the dishes out of the sink so that I didn't have to hand wash so many, and just made it easier on me as I was trying to do this as quickly and thoroughly as possible. So right here, I'm actually spraying some bleach into my mugs because after a while of having tea, my mugs start getting those yucky brown stains on them. So what I'll do is I'll spray them with some bleach and then pop them in the dishwasher, and then once they're done, the stains are completely gone. Guys, I did not realize that Ariella was doing this while I was doing the dishes. So I kept it in here because I thought it was just really cute how she just came up to the camera. Like, tell me, is that not cute? So now I'm doing the most satisfying part of my kitchen, is always wiping down my counters. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm finished wiping down my counters after doing my dishes, it just makes me feel so much better. see, I'm making me and the girls a nice cup of tea. We always like to finish off cleaning with one. We always like to go sit down and watch a movie or a show of some sort and just kind of relax and just wind down from moving around a lot. And then I also wanted to talk to you guys about some decorations, but we'll get to that in a second.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we have decorations up here, but this random space right here that's not being taken up, I need to figure out what to put there. So I don't know if I want to find some type of light that's battery operated to kind of like give it some light up there, or something with the mirror, or more plants, or just something that is just not basic. I want it to fit what we have, but I don't want it to be the same. So if you guys have any ideas or places that I can go look for inspirations, please let me know in the comments below.